saw a quote in a store the other day that was probably my favorite in relation to sustainability, and it was, we borrow the earth from our children. And so just thinking about those sustainable projects and the ability that we have, the impact we can make by choosing to go after those kind of projects and install them and do a good job, like we're saving a little bit of the earth for our kids. So that really resonated with me.
Part of what we do here is to leave a good legacy. So personally, I also like to leave a good legacy for my kids and my kids' kids to have a planet that's clean and healthy and has sustainable energy. So I feel that it's important for me to do that as my part.
The motivation to be sustainable just means I want to take care of the planet that I have so that, my kids and my kids' kids will be able to experience some of the awesome, great things that I'm able to experience now.
This is why it is a legacy project, is because it is such massive scope and it has such an impact, not only on our bottom line, but also on environmental, and economic, issues that surround our customers.
I've definitely kind of looked at sustainability and climate change kind of as something in the future, but it's definitely more real for me now. And we're kind of seeing more sustainable system options and everything come up in all our new pursuits and everything like that.
I think we just really want to be in front of it all and try to understand stuff ahead of time so that when it comes to installing everything, we know the best to our knowledge what to do, and we can help customers make decisions based on what we've already learned and seen. And it's a huge learning opportunity for everybody in our company. And
I just graduated from K-State, and sustainability was a very big topic. We use that to talk about how we can prolong the usage of all of our resources for future generations, and it'll be more beneficial for us to come up with ways that we can more efficiently use our resources so we don't run into these problems for a prolonged period of time.
So in the marketplace, we're seeing this huge drive to push toward electrification, essentially reducing natural gas and carbon emissions. And it's something that our clients are demanding on a day-to-day basis, and they're really leaning on us for our knowledge and to be a resource to them. US Engineering, we want to be better than all of our other competitors in the marketplace, and this is a way that we can really differentiate ourselves.
We need to be more community conscious. It's a big deal to be more about the people in the communities that we live in, and just being, we use all the energy that is being used in the community, right? When you go home, you're using so much less power than what we're doing in this building. So being a better steward of the community has always been big for that.
One of the things that I think about when we look at sustainability as a real strategic initiative for US Engineering is that this isn't something that's being mandated from the top down. This is something that has bubbled up from our teams. This is something that isn't driven by others telling us this is what we have to do. This is something that we are engaged in because it's what we want to do. And by we, I mean a whole group of people within the organization. I think it's a real positive for us to be able to take all of that momentum and actually execute on it, so that when we're looking back 10, 15, 20, 25 years from now, and we've got future team members who are saying, what is it that US Engineering did when you were trying to address issues of sustainability a quarter century ago? We should be able to do that work right now so that they can feel proud about the legacy that they've inherited as members of the US Engineering team.